Come test drive the 2021 Forte. If you're looking for a trendy and feature-laden compact sedan, the Kia Forte is for you. It offers an exceptional combination of innovative design, high-quality engineering, and outstanding value. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, stability control, sports suspension, fog lights, braking assist, ambient lighting, power brakes, traction control, rear view camera, driver attention alert system. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.